The Halloween season is a busy time of year for thrift shops. Nicole Nielsen, a Value Village employee, says that it's not just the month of October, but the entire fall season that sees a boost in customers.
The busiest month at Value Village are October right now and September, mostly because September we have people going back to school, so they're doing all their back to school shopping, and October is everyone's getting their costumes together, building it, all the pieces, and then the end of October is the busiest part overall for Halloween, for used, for all the sales in the store.
During this peak time of the year, the store sees a wide variety of shoppers, not only those preparing for their night of trick-or-treating.
We're running around, we have all sorts of customers. We have our seniors who come in on Tuesdays who just want to kind of socialize and talk to people, and then we have the costume hunters and people like that.
With Halloween in full swing, thrift stores are busier than ever, from large chain thrift stores like Value Village to smaller community-run ones like Losica. Sharon Baker is a manager at the Love, Service and Care, or Losica, thrift store, a St. Albert-based charity that raises funds for adults with disabilities. Special programs are run out of the classroom in the back of the store.
We're a foundation for adults with disabilities. And that's what the store is for, is to raise money so we can run their program back here, which we call the Discovery Program.
The store, which has been open for over 20 years, has established itself in the community as one of its most popular thrift stores. With large amounts of customers and volunteers, Losica is also much busier in the fall season.
October, November, September as well. Those are our busiest months because it's change of season. We do stock a lot of Halloween, which is mostly gone now, and our Christmas.
Even though Value Village has just opened a new location in St. Albert, Baker says that Losica has benefited by having some new competition in town.
We seem to get the tickle effect, where they go to Value Village and then they say, oh, we see that sign, let's go check it out. So we're getting a lot of their customers as well. So it's worked for our benefit. I think our store is very, very unique because it has a different look to it than most thrift stores. I try to keep it more of a boutique-looking thing.
Losica and Value Village offer great Halloween deals and give back to the community, making them both great destinations not only for the month of October, but all year round. Connor Hogg, Newswatch Extra.